Hiya. I'm gonna try to talk as low as possible. Oh no, just put my finger on the. Ah! Okay, I've got my finger on the microphone so that it kind of like dampens the sound. This is my second time recording it. This is the first time. Just now, 2 seconds ago, I was coughing too much, and I actually had to get up because I just sexy. I'm gonna attempt to look at the camera instead of at myself. I really don't have anything to say much. Really, nothing really happens in my life, as you know. I'm gonna about my new glasses, which I'm very happy about. I have not taken them off since I bought them. I have been walking around the house with my sunglasses on, just on top of my head. And I've got a dentist appointment today. Because he's gonna check to see if I really do need to get my wisdom teeth extracted, and if I do, then I gotta make another appointment to get that done. Hopefully that'll be filmed because the extraction, if I have to do it, because if I do, I have a feeling, being me, considering that I'm already like super weird without sedation, I can't imagine what I'd be like with it. So hopefully someone films that for me. I'm failing at the camera, looking at the thing. But yeah. That's on, right? You can sort of see it there. The daffodil. That I'm so happy about. I'm sorry if the microphone is like really crap, but you know what happens with YouTube. I'm sorry that I'm using this. I would use David and just film it and then upload it, but I really can't be bothered to do all of that. So I'm just kind of trying to deal with the microphone thing. Hopefully it works out well enough. I'm trying to keep it out of the red zone, so I'm talking kind of lower than usual. But otherwise, yeah, dentist appointment, daffodil, my lip. You can see it there. It's kind of healing slowly. It hurts. Oh, and I made the most delicious lunch. It was amazing. Just some oven toasted French baguette with an olive oil dressing that I made, drizzled on top of it, and toasted in the oven. And then taken out, and slices of cheese on top of each piece of bread, and just back in the oven and let it melt. That's what I did. That with a simple spinach salad with the leftover olive oil dressing and vinegar. It was so good. It was just Miki and I, and both of us at Miki's reaction to it was like it really was awesome. So hopefully I get the opportunity to make it again because it really was that good. And the great thing is it was like a really light lunch. I don't feel like weighed down or anything. But yeah. I had something to tell you, but I can't remember, and now I'm over the limit. Alright, Guess this means you can punish me. As long as it won't cost me money, I'm pretty much open to doing anything. As long as it won't cost me money, and it won't hurt me, because I haven't done anything to hurt you. Anyway. Bye. Look. I'm waiting for it to be an even number before I turn it off.